Welcome to the Code by Phoenix tutorial on creating a simple calculator using VB.NET. In this project, we will create a user interface with text boxes for the user to input values and buttons for performing different mathematical operations. To get started, open Microsoft Visual Studio software. I'm using the 2010 Ultimate version. Then click on New Project. Type the name of your project and choose a folder to save the project files by clicking the Browse button. Then click OK. To create the user interface, add 3 text boxes and 5 buttons by double-clicking from the toolbox. Place these items so that they look perfect on the screen. Then change the name of every text box in Solution Explorer. Text box 1 should be named Value 1, text box 2 should be named Evaluate U2, and text box 3 should be named Answer. Then change the text of each button. Button 1 should be labeled Sum, Button 2 should be labeled Minus, Button 3 should be labeled Multiply, Button 4 should be labeled Divide, and Button 5 should be labeled Clear. To code the Sum button, double-click on the button to write code. When this button is clicked, the code will display the result in the Answer text box after getting the values from the Value 1 and Value 2 text boxes and adding them together. Next, we will code the minus button. Just copy the same code and change the operator symbol. Do the same for the multiply and divide buttons. Finally, we will code the clear button. When clicked, this button sets the values in all of the text boxes to nothing, effectively resetting the calculator. Also, add labels in front of text boxes and change their text. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we have a fully functional calculator. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Download the project from our website mentioned in the description.